Hey friends, welcome back to Art With. So today we're going to be making an aquarium, a fish aquarium using a plate, clear screen, clear string, pipe cleaners, Q-tips for your ears, double-sided tape, glue of course, and a sponge. And we have a mystery kit. I wonder what's in there. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take one of our plates and we're gonna cut the rim off. Remember, when it comes to scissors, always ask for help. Next, we're gonna take our sponge and figure out what color we want to make our seaweed. I chose green seaweed, and you gotta twist. It's not that hard if you get used to it. Twist it into the sponge. There we go. Now it's time to paint. Don't forget to mix your paint with water. Cut your Q-tips. This is going to be our coral. So coral comes in all sorts of different colors. I decided to use orange because that's my favorite color, and purple. If you need help for this part, ask someone. Now your seabed is all done. Awesome! So while that's drying, we get our double-sided tape and stick it to the back side of the sponge. This is gonna make sure it sticks to your plate and doesn't move. And now I want to paint rocks. You can grab any color of paint you want. I picked black, blue, and white. I made gray by mixing black and white, and I added blue to it. I think that looks like rocks. It's time for part 2. Earlier we made stickers. You can take some of the stickers you made, or you can take pictures of fish, Now it's time for us to use the clear string that we had earlier. We're gonna tape it to the back of our fish. Double check to make sure the length is where you want it to be. Tape your string to the top of the plate. That will make it look like our fish are swimming. It's time for the mystery box. My mystery box has bubbles, fish food, and 2 sea urchins. Now it's time to glue the screen. So the screen is our pretend glass, just like a real fish tank. I used craft glue, but hot glue works a lot better. If you don't have a hot glue gun, that's okay. You can still use the craft glue. It just takes longer to dry. Ask a grown-up to help you tape the edges of your plates so that the screen doesn't come off. All done. See you next time.